Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir,
Tell.
what is quartile?
Square.
The quartile, Quartile.
Ah, quartile.
Sir, their statistics.
There is not there quartile.
Sir, it is there like the quartile deviation of daily wages of 7 persons, which are 12, 7, 10, 15, 17, 17, 25. Sir, also there's something like coefficient of skewness. Sir, coefficient of skewness is same as coefficient of variance.
Variance.
Okay, sir.
Which concept?
Quartile.
Quartile. Coefficient of variance. Last concept coefficient of variance. Combined group
Like
mathematical.
questions are there, sir. If 25% are less than 10
Hmm.
and 25% are more than 40, then the coefficient of quartile deviation is.
Then textbook is not there. Then I will check it, Nagabhushan.
Okay, sir, I'll check it.
Then this Sunday, no test. Wednesday
So
or Thursday
Saturday?
test is there. No Saturday.
Sir, why?
Some other exams is there. Some other classes.
Okay, sir.
That's why this next week Wednesday or Thursday exam. Thursday. Okay.
So what will be the second chapter?
Second chapter is straight lines.
Sir, why can't we do mathematical induction and complex numbers?
Complex numbers also not conducting test.
No, sir. No chapter was conducted, sir, actually. Only one sets and one
Huh.
trigonometry was conducted.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So if we do this complex numbers and mathematical inductions, we can stay calm.
Complex numbers, mathematical induction, then next week conduct. This week, statistics and straight lines. Okay.
Sir, NCFA students are having final exams
Final exams. When?
from Tuesday.
From Tuesday to till
Tuesday to 2nd March.
2nd March. Oh. Then when we will write test. And Nagabhushan Gopala write. Then last week only 2 members wrote. Nagabhushan and Gopala.
Sir, as everybody is having their school exams going on, right?
Then first syllabus completed now.
Sir,
First syllabus completed.
the syllabus is over only. Right?
Syllabus board level complete.
Sir,
Ah.
then let's do one thing, sir. These 2 weeks, teach all concepts, sir. Then we'll write tests. So like the next week, Wednesday and Thursday is there, right? Sir, so when will their exams end? Sir, the date when their exams end, the next day we can keep the tests.
Next. Then otherwise next week, Saturday, Sunday, right? 2 chapters, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Saturday and Sunday, statistics and straight lines, right?
Sir, mix.
Then next, properties of triangles.
Sir, is it mix?
Mixer?
Yes, sir, because if it's mix, it will save time.
Mix means mathematical induction. Okay. Previous chapters.
Straight lines, sir. You can keep straight lines.
Straight lines, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then straight lines, all
But only board level was over.
straight lines board level completed. Huh?
Yes, sir.
All of you know distance formula, section formula, angle between 2 lines. Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir.
Conditional
condition
of perpendicular of 2 lines. Condition of parallel parallel of lines.
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Equation of line through the origin. Equation of a line parallel to y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. Intercepts of a line on the axis. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Slope of intercept of a line. And point slope. Then normal form.
Yes, sir.
2-point form. Then intercept form. Done?
Yes, sir. You tell, sir. We'll say which we didn't
Okay, okay. Then next. Symmetric form of parametric equation.
Sir, we did that. That is x minus x1 by
yes.
cos theta by is equal to
then
y
next,
minus y1 by sin theta.
Then next, this one. Transformation of general equation of different standard forms.
Yes, sir. We did that.
Okay. Then next, point of intersection of 2 lines.
Yes, sir. Solutions.
Concurrent lines.
Yes, sir. We did that.
Okay. Line perpendicular to a given line. Lines parallel and perpendicular. Okay.
Yes.
Then angle between 2 straight lines.
Yes, sir.
Condition for lines to be perpendicular. Condition for lines to be parallel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then position of 2 points relative to a line.
Yes, sir. We did that.
Distance of a point from a line.
Yes, sir.
Distance between the parallel lines.
Yes, sir. We did that also.
Okay. Then next. Equation of a line passing through given point and making given angle with a line.
Sir, the old teacher gave the formula, but we didn't do anything about the concept, sir. We didn't understand even the proof.
Proof, already I will explain that proof.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That we didn't do, sir.
Y minus y1 is equal to m plus or minus tan alpha.
Sir, you're saying,
No, sir.
sir, not line.
Done.
Sir, that we did.
Hmm.
Sir, distance of a point making an angle.
Hmm.
Sir, that we didn't do.
Equation of a line passing through a given point and making a given angle with a line.
Sir, that we did. That we did, sir.
Okay. Then next. Family of lines, intersection of two given lines. The angle between two lines.
Sir, could you repeat?
Angle between two lines.
Sir, that we did.
Okay. Then family of lines.
That also we did.
Okay. Then after that, coordinate geometry, some important triangles. Next concept.
No, sir. So statistics is over.
Statistics
Is over.
Over.
Okay, sir.
Centroid of a triangle, first one.
Sir,
Important points of a triangles.
sir, like the old teacher gave one day he was about to start some concept. Angle bisector something was there, sir.
That one also is there.
Okay, sir.
That one not complete, huh?
No, sir, we didn't do that.
Okay. Important points of a triangle.
We can't see that.
Oh. Okay. First one is centroid. Centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle. The point of intersection of medians. Definition, right? The point of intersection of medians of a triangle. The point of intersection of medians of a triangle is called center of the triangle.
So this has the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, right?
Yes. Proof I will explain. Proof.
Sir, I guess we did this last year also.
Yes, sir.
Last year.
Sir, like last year, 10th standard only we did this.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. So you
2:1 ratio.
Yes, sir. 2:1 ratio.
Okay. You don't want proof?
Sir, don't need proof, sir.
Okay. Formulas I will explain. Formulas, right? The point of intersection of medians of triangle is called centroid of a triangle.
The proof is also easy only, no, sir. So we take it in the ratio 2:1.
Medians find. Medians only find.
Yes, so then we'll get the equation for the medians. And then we can find the value of x and y.
this point, this median, and this median. Fine. Centroid of triangle. The coordinates of the centroid of the triangle.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, I have a doubt. Like,
Hmm.
I had this doubt from 9th standard. Sir, is there any proof
ah,
for any given triangle
hmm.
the medians pass through a single point?
Pass through single point.
Single point, yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is there any proof that it passes through a
No,
single?
no, no, is not there. The coordinates of the centroid of the triangle, the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x3, y3 are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Then next, second one, in center. In center of a triangle. In center of a triangle.
So in center means the center of the circle inside the triangle.
The point of intersection of angle bisector. Point
sir.
of intersection of angle bisectors of a triangle. The point of intersection of angle bisectors of a triangle. Of a triangle of a triangle is called is called in center, is called in center. The coordinates of the in center, the coordinates of the in center, the coordinates of the in center, coordinates of the in center, x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3 are x3, y3 are ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 upon a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by1 by2 a x1 y1 x1 x2 x3 and y1 y2 y3 upon a plus b plus c. Where a is equal
Won't
to
that be CX3?
c
X3.
cx3, where a is equal to bc, b is equal to ac, and c is equal to ab. Or capital A B C, right? Capital BC, right?
So the distances, right?
Mm, mm, mm.
So could you please draw the diagram for this?
Which one?
In center.
A, B, C.
Done, sir.
Third one, X center. Third one, X center. X center. The point of intersection of external bisectors of a external bisectors of the angles of a triangle.
Sir, can you repeat?
The point of intersection of the external bisectors of the angles of a triangle. Triangle is called X center. Is called X center. This is the diagram.
And the diagram.
X center. Same thing this side also is coming. Same circle.
Sir, but where exactly that circle is positioned?
Circle?
Sir, so there are infinite number of circles, right?
Infinite.
Yes, sir. That's why a straight line is formed, right?
Yes.
At the center.
This side and this side.
Yes, sir. Sir, so all the centers will lie at a single straight line, right?
Single straight line.
Yes, sir. So those straight
This
lines.
is I3. Suppose this is I3, this is I2, and this is I1. Center. 3 formulas: I1, I2, I3.
Sir, how are they the external bisectors?
This one is external bisector.
How, sir?
Huh?
So what bisects what over here?
This is external bisector. I2 is external bisector. I3 is external bisector.
So
I1 is the
a
point of
on
intersection of internal bisector of angle ABC. Okay. I1 is I1 is point of intersection of internal bisector of angle ABC and external bisector angle BAC. Angle BAC. Angle BAC. This one is BAC. Okay, this triangle.
A really complicated diagram.
This is complicating. Clearly I'm writing.
So would R1, R2, and R3 be equal to each other?
Equal to each other.
No, sir, R1, R2, and R3 won't be equal to each other. Sir, R1 is not equal to R2 is not equal to R3, right?
This distance is R1. This distance is R2. Not equal. Not equal.
Yes, sir.
Not equal.
Sir, one thing, sir. Feel that X center is same as N center.
X center?
Same as N center.
X
Sir,
center?
sir, I feel that X center is same as N center.
No. In center is same as centroid. Centroid. In center is equal to centroid. In triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Okay, this opposite side is B, this opposite side is C, this opposite side is A. This side is B and this side is C. I1 is the point of intersection of internal bisectors angle of ABC and external bisectors angle of BAC and the angle of ACB. Then I1 is equal to I1.
So,
Tell.
So is the intersection point same as a circle drawn with the points A, B, and C?
Point?
So like we know that out of 3 points we can only draw one circle, right?
One circle.
Yes, sir. So doesn't it feel, sir? So can we say that the circle drawn with point A, B, and C, then the center of that circle will be the X center.
Center of the center is X center.
Yes, sir.
X center.
Yes, sir. So that is X center, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 upon minus a plus b plus c, comma, minus ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 upon minus a plus b plus c. I1. I1. I2. I2 is equal to ax1 ax2 minus b bx1 bx2 plus cx3 upon a minus b plus c upon ay1 minus by2 plus cy3 upon a minus b plus c. Then I3 is equal to ax1 plus by plus bx2 minus cx3 upon a plus b minus c, comma, ay1 plus by2 minus c y3 upon a plus b minus c. This is the formula. I1, I2, I3. Angle ABC, I1. Angle BAC, I2. Angle ACB.
Sir, your screen froze for me.
Screen?
No, sir, now it's okay.
No?
Okay, sir, it's clear now.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. Then next, circumcenter. Circumcenter. Circumcenter, the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of a triangle. Perpendicular bisector of a triangle is called circumcenter. It's called circumcenter. If the vertices of triangle ABC vertices of triangle ABC vertices of triangle ABC x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x3 y3 are given by x1 sin 2a plus x2 sin 2b plus x3 sin 2c upon sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c, comma y1 sin 2a plus y2 sin 2b plus y3 sin 2c upon sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. And this one also proof is there, very big proof.
No?
Ah,
Sir, but circumcenter is not always true for all triangles, right?
not all triangles.
Yes, sir. Sir, is there any condition for which it is true for all triangles?
Condition.
Yes.
Condition is not there.
So circumcenter and centroid would overlap for a equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
Even in center as well as excenter.
Excenter.
Sir, all those four are same for an equilateral triangle.
Yes, yes.
Sir, how would X center be the same? It would be different, no, sir? For
Excenter.
equilateral triangle.
Excenter is different. Incenter, centroid, and circumcenter.
Sir, excenter also will be the same, sir.
Same.
Yes, sir, because the radius of all the circles found will be the same. Sir, for an equilateral triangle.
Circles form and is same.
So, but the point for I1, I2, and I3 would be different, no, sir?
Different.
In center is inside the triangle and X center is outside the triangle.
Outside the triangle.
But is excenter
These three are in
outside?
equilateral triangle, Nagbhushan.
Sir. Okay, yes, sir, it makes sense.
And orthocenter also equilateral triangle. The point next, orthocenter. Orthocenter.
So, X1 is the coordinate of angle A, right?
Coordinate of angle
A.
Orthocenter. The point of intersection of the altitudes. Point of intersection of three altitudes. Three altitudes of a triangle is called orthocenter.
Could you repeat?
The point of intersection of altitudes of the triangle. The point of intersection of altitudes of the triangle is called orthocenter. The vertices of triangle ABC. The vertices of triangle ABC. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3. The coordinates of its orthocenter is
once repeat the definition of orthocenter?
Orthocenter, the point of intersection of altitudes of a triangle. Altitudes of a triangle is called orthocenter.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Based on these concepts, problems. Done?
Yes, sir.
First one. Two vertices of a triangle. Two vertices of a triangle are -1, 4 and 5, 2. If its centroid is 0, -3, find the third vertex. Find the third vertex.
The full question is not visible.
Okay, wait. Now it's clear?
Yes, sir. -4, -15.
-4,
-15.
yes, correct. Third vertex is -4, -15. Let us take third vertex is x, y. Take third vertex. Find the coordinates of in center of the triangle whose vertices are 4, -2, 4, -2 and -2, 4 and 5, 5, 5, 5. Find the coordinates of the incenter of the triangle whose vertices are 4 comma minus 2 minus 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 5. A is equal to BC and B is equal to AC and C is equal to AB. Distance formula using
Sir, x coordinate is 2.5, right?
x coordinate
2.5.
2.5, 5 by 2.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Y coordinate
Just a minute, sir. So that's also 5 by 2.
Yes, correct. Okay, done. Bhargav, Nagabhushan, done.
Done, sir.
Okay, Gopala, done. Priyanka,
Doing
Yashash.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Both the coordinates are 5 by 2, right?
Yes, yes. Triangle ABC with vertices A 1 comma 2, B 2, 3, C 3, 1, and angle A is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5. Angle B is equal to angle C is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 10.
Sir,
Ah,
I had network issues. Bhargav here. Did you call me?
yes, yes. Done. Problems, 2 problems done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Find the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Conic section, very big chapter. Then left is conic section and properties of triangles.
Sir, permutation combination.
Permutation combination here.
Sir, probability.
Probability next year.
Okay, sir. Sir, mathematical reasoning.
Mathematical reasoning. In competitive level, conic section 4 chapters. Not 1 chapter, 4 chapters.
Yes, sir.
Conic section 3 chapters, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, and circle separate. I think March ending completed in this first year portion.
So March ending.
March middle, I think middle.
Date approximately, sir.
Below 20th.
Okay, sir. No, for us I think from March 12th, our 12th classes will start.
Okay, no problem. Second year easy.
CBSE.
Second year easy. First year tough. Second year easy.
Sir, but CBSE strictly told that 12th class should be started only on April 1st, and before that, bridge course should be done.
Okay, no problem.
They have not told anything as such because in the school calendar they are given us on March 12th, I guess.
Okay, okay.
Sir, x coordinate is 11 by 6.
X coordinate.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct, Himanshu.
Sir, I'll find the y coordinate.
Ah, yes, correct. Headache chapter, permutations and combinations.
Sir, will we have the same portions for like 11th for 12th as well?
Ah, no. 12th is different.
Like, will we have some
Only,
chapters?
only
11th?
3 chapters repeating. 3 chapters means one is relations and functions,
Okay, sir.
and one more
Probably.
is 3D geometry.
So limits and derivatives?
Limits, limits, derivatives separate chapters.
Okay.
Limits and continuity chapter is there. These two interrelated. Limits and continuity, and the derivatives and the differentiability, second year.
Yes, sir.
Continuity
So in our school, they removed statistics for board level.
Okay, continuity and differentiability, second year chapter is there, and first year limits and derivatives, right? These two interrelated.
Yes, sir.
Limits and continuity, and derivatives is differentiability.
So all the other chapters will be new.
New only.
Okay,
And
sir.
matrices, determinants, new. Then inverse ITF, inverse trigonometric functions. Then AOD, applications of derivatives. Then integrals,
Derivatives is easy.
indefinite integrals and definite integrals, separate chapters. Then areas, then differential equations, then 3D, vectors 3D, then probability. And LPP means that is board level only, linear programming problem.
Sir, in that Boolean algebra is there, right?
Boolean?
Sir, in that Boolean algebra is there.
No.
Then what is it, sir?
Which one?
Sir, LPP.
Linear programming problem. That is graphical. You
Okay,
have to draw a graph.
Okay, sir. Like those, we have to figure out what type of graph will be produced.
3 equations is given. 3
Okay.
linear equations is given. Then same linear equations in 10th. Linear equations is there, no? 11th.
So 11th is, I mean, y is 2, right?
Y is?
2.
Yes, correct. X is 11/6. And Y is 2. Typical problems asking in second year, relations and functions, and ITF. Then probability.
So probability is hard.
Probability hard.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, is there binomial distributions?
Binomial distribution is there.
Okay,
Random
sir.
variables binomial distribution.
Yes, okay. Sir.
Is a very, very important concept. In CBSE level also important. Binomial distribution, random variables.
So what will we have in applications of derivatives?
Applications of derivatives, nothing but application oriented problems. That is 6 type of concepts is there. Maxima and minima, increasing and decreasing, and tangents and normals, and approximation, rate of change. Total 6 topics is there in this chapter.
So rate of change part is easy.
Rate of change?
I feel that that's easy.
Rate of change is easy.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Rate of change is easy. Remaining, increasing and decreasing, tangents and normals, and maxima and minima, full headache.
Sir,
Maxima and
maximum minimum is easy only, no, sir.
No. Some typical problems
Derivative.
is there. Maxima and minima.
Sir, in that you should take nth derivative, right?
Nth derivative also is there.
Sir, nth derivative only very bad, sir.
Differentiation.
Yes, sir.
Differentiation. Nth derivative plus BTech first semester is coming. Nth derivative.
So
M1.
that's there here.
M1 is coming first semester. Nth derivative, Leibniz rule, and Maclaurin's.
Sir? Sir, is maths compulsory for everyone in BTech?
Compulsory. Any branch you will take, any branch.
Sir, for MTech?
All branches, MTech no. No MTech.
Okay, sir.
Only BTech. Four semesters. M1, M2, M3, M4. First 2 years maths. First year 2 semesters, second year 2.
So next question.
M1 is M1 and M3. M1 and M3 is tough. M2 and M4 is easy. Done all of you?
No, sir.
Integration part is easy. Integration part. By using direct formulas. The midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 1, 2, 0, -1 and 2, -1. Find the coordinates of the vertices. Coordinates of the vertices. And heights and distance also is there. Heights and distance.
Class 10th only, no, sir.
Confirm
So class 10th.
one confirm question. Mains
Sir,
level.
class 10th, right? Class 10th level.
Same
Sir,
applications of trigonometry is there, no? Some
yes,
applications
sir.
of
Yes,
trigonometry,
sir.
I think.
Sir,
Yes,
that you
sir.
can leave, sir. That's very easy.
Very easy. That one question is confirm. Mains. Angle of depression, angle of elevation.
Sir, are the points 3, 2, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 4?
Yes, correct.
Done, sir. Sir, in center is 4/3, 4/3. In center is 4/3, 4/3.
4/3, 4/3. 4/3.
Is it correct?
This point is A point till
A is 0,3.
0, 3. 4, 0. B is 0, 3.
Oh, okay, sir. I got my mistake, sir.
Okay.
So is it 16 by 9, comma 1?
16 by 9.
Yeah.
1 comma 1 answer. 1 comma 1. OA distance is 4 and OB distance is 3. Then AB distance, AB 5.
Yes, sir. AB is 5.
5. Correct? Then substituting.
So we would get 4 by 3 only.
4 by 3.
Yes, sir. I am getting that.
AX1, AX2 plus CX3 upon A plus B plus C. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This one is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3. Right?
Sir, sir, I'm getting 2 comma 0.
2 comma 0.
Yes, sir.
A is 4.
Sir, sine 2a is
A,
equal to
B,
24
Y,
by
B
25.
X2 plus C X3 upon A
Hey,
plus
why
B
did you
plus
find sine 2a?
Sine 2A na?
In center, right?
In center.
Yes, I'm my mistake. Sorry.
In center, what is the formula?
Sir, I forgot. Like I thought sine
Sine 2A.
center is same as circumcenter.
Okay. See, in center, AX1, BX2 plus CX3 upon A plus B plus C, comma, AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 upon A plus B plus C. Himanshu,
Sir, I use this formula only.
this formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Using this formula, A is equal to 4. Okay. B is equal to 3. Okay. Then C is equal to 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Then substituting here, 4 into x1. X1 is 0 plus B into B value 3. X2. X2 is 4, right? Plus C, 5 into X3, 0 upon 4 plus 3 plus 5, right? Now 3.
Okay, sir. I got my mistake. Okay, sir.
Huh?
So 4 plus 3 plus 5 is 12, right?
4 plus 3 plus 5, 8 plus 4, 12.
Sir, I just added 5 and 4 and I got 9. So
Numerator
I
is
got
4 3s are 12. Numerator is 12 and the denominator also
Sir, it is
12.
1 comma
Yes, sir.
1.
Then
Yes.
1
and,
comma 1 is
1,
the
1, sir.
answer.
yes, sir, and
Yes, sir.
radius is 1.
Yeah, radius is 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of you done?
Sir, also one more thing left, sir. Complex numbers geometry is left.
Complex number geometry also is there, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, for now you can teach
Cursor is not
circles
teaching
part.
geometry part.
Sir, he told that once we'll do conic sections, that time we will have clear idea how to do numbers. Sir, you can only teach circles,
The
sir.
actual process is trigonometry done now already.
Yes, sir.
Trigonometry, after that start properties of triangles. After that, heights and distance. That is the way. First trigonometry, after that properties, then after the heights and distance. That these two chapters is left. See, limits and derivatives is there, no? 11th.
Yes, sir.
I'm teaching only limits, not derivatives.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Correct.
Because second year differentiability, one more chapter is there.
Yes, sir.
Derivatives differentiability, that is one chapter. Commutative level. And continuity also is there. Limits and continuity, that is interrelated chapters. Derivatives and differentiability interrelated. Trigonometry and properties of triangles, heights and distance, these three interrelated. Probability first year and second year probability. And 3D geometry first year and second year 3D geometry. Okay. Then any other concepts left? Only concept complex numbers, right? Only complex numbers, geometry. Okay, geometry part. Then next.
Sir, once I erase everything, I'll say one by one, sir.
Oh, okay.
Sir, I'll WhatsApp you what all concepts left.
WhatsApp?
Sir, I'll WhatsApp you
Ah.
the concepts which are left out.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Only that time you said only, right? Complex numbers, geometry part is left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then tell any concepts is left, no? Nagbhushan. Then
Sir, I'll send you, sir.
Okay, send. My number is there, no? Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir, I have your number.
Okay. Okay, Nagbhushan, time is over.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then next class shall continue remaining concepts. Yeah, equation of angle bisectors. Okay. Then locus of
Thank
a
you.
point.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.